Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use controls on your earbuds, and we have it at the right headphone. Right here we have volume up, volume down button, and also volume up button is power button, and we have multifunctional button. So if volume control button, you understand it. With multifunctional button you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can answer or finish the call, you can reject a call, you can call voice assistant. So it's a good one. Next, if you want to improve your listening experience, you can change Shacklizer presets, and we need to open SHOKZ application and of course add these earbuds to the app. Then we have 4 presets what SHOKZ offer for us. Also we have 2 presets for the custom one, so I create already a first one, I can create one more and use a custom preset. Next, this earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to your earbuds simultaneously. You need to only enter to the application, then click at the multipoint pairing and enable it here, and then you can do this. Next, I tested microphone at these headphones, and these headphones have really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally without background sounds. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly, but the most important that this microphone mute street sound, it uses AI for it, and it totally mute them, and your voice, I mean my voice wasn't distorted, so it's really a good one. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform a factory reset and fix them. So you need to turn off your headphones by pressing hold power button, then enter to pairing mode, but again press and hold power button until the LED lights start blinking red and blue, and then press and hold at the same time volume up, volume down and multifunctional button until the LED light turn off. If you still don't know how to do this, at this channel we have video how to perform factory reset for this earbud, so you can check this video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!